Hello everyone, this is our new product, Portable TV. Now I will introduce to you how to use and install it. And now I will introduce the accessories. This is the monitor, the stand pole, and the base. This is the adapter, user manual, and the screwdriver, and this is the controller. Now firstly, we put this base into this hole. Next we take out this stand pole, and then we unscrew these 3 screws. We use this screwdriver, unscrew these 3 screws. And then put them aside. Now we put this stand pole into this hole, and pay attention to this square part. We need to find the square hole and then put it inside. Then we connect this cable. And then we screw these screws. Now we use this screwdriver, unscrew these 2 screws. And then we make these 2 screws loose. Don't unscrew them. Now we connect these 2 cables. With these omnidirectional wheels, you can move it smoothly. Also, you can adjust the angle. And you can also adjust the height. It's touchable screen and you can control it with your hands. And you can use the Play Store to download the app what you want. With an impressive battery life, the portable TV by your side for up to 6 hours. And ensuring you are left without your digital partner. And there is a camera, and you can use it to make a video call and a video meeting. And create a new meeting. And there are many functions for you to explore. And if you have any questions, you can contact us at any time.